Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of installing Android apps on your PC. Whether you want to enjoy mobile games or use productivity apps on a larger screen, we've got you covered. So, let's dive into the steps of installing Android apps on your PC. Step 1. Installing an Android emulator. The first step is to install an Android emulator on your PC. An emulator allows you to run Android apps on your computer. There are several emulators available, such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, and The Player. Choose one that suits your needs and download it from the official website. Step 2. Setting up the Android emulator. Once the emulator is downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. The process may take a few minutes, as the emulator sets up the necessary files and configurations. Step 3. Launching the Android emulator. After the emulator is installed, launch it from your desktop. The emulator will boot up, simulating an Android device on your PC. It may take a bit of time for the emulator to load, especially on the first run. Step 4. Accessing the Google Play Store. Once the emulator is up and running, you'll have access to the Google Play Store, just like on an Android device. Launch the Play Store app from the emulator's home screen. Step 5. Searching and installing Android apps. In the Play Store, use the search bar to find the Android app you want to install on your PC. Once you locate the app, click on the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Step 6. Launching the installed Android app. After the installation is complete, the app will be available on the emulator's home screen or app drawer. Click on the app icon to launch and start using it on your PC.